Subscriptions are killing your budget. Here's how to fix it. You're probably bleeding $200 to $400 every single month and you don't even know it. That's not an exaggeration. The average American has 11 active subscriptions right now. 11. And most people can't name half of them. I'm talking Netflix, Spotify, Adobe, DoorDash, Apple TV+, that meditation app you used once in January. They're all quietly draining your account every single month like tiny financial vampires. Here's what kills me. That $400 per month. Over a year that's $4,800. Over 10 years. That's $48,000. If you invested that in an S&P 500 index fund instead, you'd have over $85,000 sitting in a Roth IRA right now earning you free money. But we're going to fix this. Today. Part 1. Where your money is actually going. Let's be real about something first. Subscriptions are designed to be invisible. That's the whole strategy. Companies deliberately charge small amounts because they know you won't notice. $5 here, $10 there. It's psychological warfare. And you're losing. Most people can't tell me their exact subscription costs. You know why? Because the companies don't want you to know. They're counting on you forgetting about that Peacock trial you signed up for 3 months ago. They're betting you'll keep paying for a gym membership you haven't used since March. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video. Actually pause it. Open your last 3 credit card statements. Write down every single recurring charge you can find. Don't estimate. Get the exact numbers. The average person finds between $150 and $300 in forgotten subscriptions. Some people find way more. I had a client recently who was paying for 7 different streaming services. 7. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Apple TV, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, and Paramount+. She was spending $78 per month just to watch TV. She couldn't even tell me what she watched on half of them. Part 2. The decision framework that actually works. Okay, so you've got your list. Now we're going to make ruthless decisions about every single one. Here's the framework I use. Would I pay for this with cash right now? Not would you eventually use it. Not would it be nice to have. Would you actually hand over cash today for this specific service? If the answer is no, it's gone. Immediately. Think about it this way. If Netflix required you to pay $15 in actual dollars every month, would you? Probably yes if you watch it regularly. But would you pay $12 for that meditation app you opened twice? No. So why are you? Here's my second rule. The 1-month test. If you haven't used it in a month, you don't need it. Cancel it. I know what you're thinking. What if I need it later? Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You can always resubscribe. Netflix isn't going anywhere. You can rejoin whenever you want. The cost of resubscribing 1 month later is less than the cost of paying for something you're not using right now. Third rule. Consolidate when possible. Pick one streaming service. Just one. Not 3. 1. I know that's hard, but you probably watch maybe 5% of available content anyway. Pick the one that has the shows you actually watch and cancel the rest. Same thing with music. Spotify or Apple Music. Not both. Not both plus YouTube Music. If you're serious about building real wealth, you need to protect every dollar. That means no paying for things you don't use. This is basic blocking and tackling. Part 3. Redirect that money to your future. Here's the part that actually matters. Let's say you find $200 in monthly subscriptions you can cancel. What do you do with that money? You don't just spend it somewhere else. That defeats the entire purpose. You set up automatic transfer to a Roth IRA with Fidelity or set up automatic investments in your 401k. $200 per month into the S&P 500. That's $2,400 per year. over 30 years. Assuming an average 10% annual return, that becomes $456,000. That's not hype. That's math. That's the difference between a retirement where you're stressed and one where you're actually comfortable. This is why subscription costs matter so much. It's not about the $15. It's about what that $15 compounds into. Call to action. So here's your assignment. Go audit your subscriptions today. Find the dead weight. Cancel it. Invest the difference. And if this video helped you, please hit subscribe. We put out personal finance content every single week designed to help you build actual wealth. Your future self will thank you. You've got this.